Are you worried about your child's behavior? Wondering if it could be something more than just typical toddler antics? Could it be ADHD? In this video, we'll discuss the 9 signs of ADHD in 4-year-olds, plus a beetle and UVS sign you shouldn't ignore. Knowing the early signs can help you address potential issues, prevent struggles down the road, and ensure your child gets the help they need. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the signs of ADHD in young children. 1. Trouble paying attention. Have you ever noticed your child's mind seems to be in a different world? They may be sitting in front of a toy or activity, but their attention is clearly elsewhere. Difficulty maintaining focus on tasks, even enjoyable ones, can be an early sign of ADHD. While all children can be easily distracted, kids with ADHD struggle more than others to stay engaged in activities or conversations. 2. Impulsivity. Imagine you're at a park and your child suddenly bolts toward a nearby swing, completely disregarding any potential dangers or rules. Impulsive behavior, like acting without thinking, is a common symptom of ADHD. These children may struggle with self-control, interrupt others during conversations, and have a hard time waiting their turn during games or activities. 3. Hyperactivity. Picture your child constantly on the move, running, climbing, and fidgeting, even when it's inappropriate. Hyperactivity is another key sign of ADHD. While it's normal for young children to have lots of energy, children with ADHD have difficulty calming down and may seem constantly on the go. 4. Struggling to follow directions. Recall a time when you asked your child to complete a simple task, like picking up toys or getting dressed, only to find them wandering off or getting sidetracked. Children with ADHD often have a hard time following directions, not because they're defiant or unwilling, but because they struggle to maintain focus and process information. 5. Trouble organizing tasks. Envision your child attempting to clean their room but becoming overwhelmed by the task. They may start by picking up a toy, then get distracted and move on to something else, never actually making progress. This difficulty with organization and prioritization is a sign of ADHD in children, making seemingly simple tasks feel impossible. 6. Difficulty with transitions. Think about the last time you had to leave the playground or switch from a fun activity to a less enjoyable one. Was it a battle to get your child to cooperate? While some resistance to change is normal, children with ADHD may have extreme difficulty with transitions, leading to meltdowns or tantrums. 7. Forgetfulness. Does your child frequently forget things, like where they left their shoes or what you just told them to do? Forgetfulness can be a sign of ADHD, as these children have trouble retaining information and staying on task. 8. Emotional outbursts. Consider a time when your child had a seemingly disproportionate emotional reaction to a minor issue, like crying over a lost toy or becoming angry when asked to put away their belongings. Children with ADHD may struggle with emotional regulation, leading to intense emotional outbursts and difficulty coping with everyday frustrations. 9. Social challenges. Have you ever observed your child struggling to make friends or maintain positive relationships with their peers? Kids with ADHD may have a hard time reading social cues, understanding personal boundaries, and taking turns during play. This can lead to social challenges and feelings of isolation. 10. Sleep problems. As a bonus sign, children with ADHD may experience sleep problems, such as difficulty falling asleep, staying asleep, or waking up frequently. Sleep issues can exacerbate ADHD symptoms, making it even more challenging for children to focus and manage their emotions during the day. Addressing sleep problems is crucial in helping a child with ADHD thrive. Potential drawbacks. It's important to remember that many of these symptoms can be present in children without ADHD, as young kids are still developing their attention spans, self-control, and social skills. Misdiagnosing a child can lead to unnecessary treatments or interventions. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before jumping to conclusions and seeking a formal evaluation. By recognizing the 9 signs of ADHD in 4-year-olds, plus our bonus sign, you can be proactive in addressing potential concerns and providing your child with the support they need. Remember, early intervention is key to helping children with ADHD thrive academically, socially, and emotionally. If you suspect your child may have ADHD, consult with a healthcare professional to discuss your concerns and explore potential next steps. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you have any questions, experiences, or insights you'd like to share, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on child development and mental health. Together, we can help our children grow and thrive. See you in the next video.